Guys, today we're going to be playing Snoring. I sound funny because I'm a little bit sick, but still, let's play. Level select. Touch. An owl defeated an elephant. Fascinating. What's up with the guy's face? What? Okay. We did it. What are you looking at? I don't think I have ever played this game. Yeah, I've never played this game before. So, okay, square. Next. Pig, okay. What am I supposed to do here? Awkward draft. Oh, boo. Passable. What do I do? Basketball. Sorry guys, stupidness overload. Well. Yep, totally passable. Okay. Next is hit the pig. Hit. No. Okay, he does backflips. He's doing it this backflips. Okay. Nope. Okay, we did it. Oh, nope. Yep. Yeah. Nope. This Okay. I see. His fatness is supposed to launch the pig, but didn't. Oh, what? That, no. Okay, go. Nope. We're gonna make it. He touched him. Oh. Nope. Okay. Restart. Z. How do I? Oh. Let's keep trying this. Nope. Oh, yes. A pig poking an elephant makes him fall off a cliff. Okay. Go. Come on. No! Okay, go. It's parkour. They should call this game Parkour Pig. No, Parkour Pig. It's get better. Okay. Nope. Go. Okay, guys, let's just see what happens if we do nothing. Nope. Go. No. Nope. No. Why do I? Go now. Oh, guys, we might actually know. So yeah, that's a pretty cool game. You should check it out. And I'll see you guys later.